Are you tired of struggling to grow your Telegram group or frustrated by the inefficiency of sending messages to your contacts on Telegram? Well, we've got great news for you. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to TeleSender, the ultimate solution that will transform your Telegram marketing game. TeleSender is your go-to, user-friendly, secure and powerful Telegram automated marketing tool. It's your trusted Telegram assistant, offering a range of practical features to make your Telegram experience smoother, more efficient, and more effective. Let's dive into the 4 main features of TeleSender and see how they can take your Telegram marketing to the next level. First up, we have Scraper. Need to quickly capture specific usernames from a group? TeleSender makes it a breeze. Simply select the group you want to scrape from, choose the number of members you'd like to capture, and let TeleSender do the rest. In seconds, you'll have a list of usernames at your disposal. But wait, there's more. Introducing API Scraper, the upgraded version. It's even faster and more efficient. Just enter your phone number, select the country code, and follow the verification steps. Then enter the group link and set the number of members to scrape, and let TeleSender do the magic. In few seconds, you will get the list of scraped usernames. Now let's talk about Sender. Say goodbye to manual, one-by-one messaging. Input the usernames of the users you want to reach. Craft your message, and let TeleSender take care of sending bulk messages. It's a game changer for your outreach efforts. Last but not least, there's Inviter. Need to add multiple Telegram users to your group quickly? Select the group, input the usernames, and TeleSender will handle the rest, making group expansion a breeze. Exclusive offer for early birds. Be among the first 100 users to grab your 15% off coupon and unlock premium features. Use your coupon at telesender.com.